Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, because the correct redistributable must match your system. Check Windows type and note whether programs need the 2015-2019 or older runtimes. Once done, download the appropriate Microsoft Visual C redistributable installer. Run it as administrator so files install to program files without permission errors. Make sure to close active apps that could lock DLL files. This reduces failed installs. You're now ready to apply the installers and prepare for the next, more detailed steps. You now perform the actual installation, beginning with the x86 package even on 64-bit Windows because many applications depend on it. Install x64 next. Accept the license and choose Repair when an existing version is detected, since Repair restores missing or corrupted. DLLS. Do not reboot unless the installer asks. Unnecessary reboots interrupt chained installs. Once both complete, open Apps and Features to confirm versions and note installation paths. These details help when an application still fails to find a specific run. You finish by launching the application that required the runtime and observing behavior. Run it as administrator for a final check. If it crashes, open Event Viewer or use Dependency Walker to find which DLL is missing. This tells you which redistributable year or architecture is required. Once identified, uninstall conflicting older packages, then reinstall the correct redistributable. If installer reports a file in use, reboot into safe mode and complete the install. This often resolves locked DLL issues and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.